Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can buy from Alibaba as an individual, okay, or how you can buy from personal use. Now I have used Alibaba to purchase some products, literally like big products. I purchased many big products from weighting over like 12 kilograms and without any problem. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can buy from Alibaba for personal use. Okay, so first thing I would say is you want to search for first the product that you want to purchase. In my case, I'm just going to search here for AirPods, for example. This is just an example. Okay, now what I want you guys to do first is, if you live in United States, you can always filter by like local stock. You can just find these items in United States. Of course, the prices are going to be a little bit higher because you are not paying for shipping from China to United States, so it's already in local stock, so the supplier already paid for the shipping. Okay, so if you want to do that, of course it's not really something that you must do. Here it says here trade insurance. Now this trade insurance, what it does, it protects you. Okay, it protects your orders. If something happens, you will get your refund fast. Many like benefits to choose this one. Okay, just click here on trade insurance. Now when you click on trade insurance, they will show you only like high quality suppliers, okay, that really offers this feature. Now here it says here supplier features. If you want all these suppliers to be verified suppliers, you can just check this one. If you don't want, you can always keep in mind that the more you do this, the more you check verified suppliers, the prices are going to change, because there are some new sellers, they offer very cheap prices and they just want some feedback, some like some interactions with your products. So just keep that in mind. Not always true, but it really depends on many factors, depends also on the products. And yeah, if you scroll down here, you will see here the minimum order. So if you only want to buy one piece, just click here on minimum order. Like minimum order amount is 1. Okay, so just enter here 1. You can also like play with the price, the minimum price and the maximum price. You can also here supplier country, you can just choose the supplier country. You can do a lot of customizations here. Now as you can see here guys, after you select the minimum order, you want to click on OK. Now what Alibaba is going to do is it's going to show you guys all the products that can be purchased even if you want to buy only one piece. Now in this case, I'm going to click on this one as an example. Okay, so it says here start here, or send, I'm sorry, or chat now. Now if you click on chat now, you can just say hi to the seller to the supplier on Alibaba. You can just send a message like, hi, I would like to purchase this item but only one piece. Can you ship this to your own country? You just need to name your country, and you will send you, most of the time you will send you the custom order link. Just click on it and then you can buy the product. Of course they will explain to you the shipping price, and then they will tell you the product cost. The product cost is already here, it's like $5. As you can see, it says here one piece $5. As you can see, yeah, it's $5.83. now you can like find any products here, but there are some products that will allow you to buy directly without contacting the seller. Just click here. I'm going to click here, this one, the same thing. Yeah, this one for example, it says here start order. So these people are already selling this to United States. A lot of like people buy for personal use from them, so they just have everything set up. Like you can just start order directly. Click on start order, select the color that you want, then click on start order, and after that you will then pay. Here as you can see, it says here the total price here is $4 because I purchased 2 pieces. As you can see, the total here is the subtotal here is $4.36. now of course it's very cheap compared to AliExpress. You will have to pay for these 2, you will pay like $10 or something like that. Okay, so you will need to confirm the shipping fee and method with the supplier. Okay, so this like like is different from supplier to supplier. Some suppliers they offer free shipping, some suppliers they charge you for shipping. Just keep here searching until you find someone that offers free shipping. Okay, so yeah, that's exactly guys how you can do this. Okay, so after that you just need to enter here your own address here in the top, and that's it. And then click on submit order. Okay, and as you can see, then click on confirm with supplier, and then the supplier will then like let you know and then tell you to pay for the order. If you live, for example, in Africa, or if you live in United States, you will be able to purchase directly. But if you live in Morocco or Africa, any country in Africa, you will have to confirm with the seller or the supplier. That's the reason why it says here confirm with this. But if you are sending this to United States, it's going to be direct. Okay, it's very to be quick process. Just pay just like you do on AliExpress. Okay, so if you have any questions about Alibaba, I have a lot of information about like a lot of experience. Let me know in the comments. I will reply to you guys. I will try to reply to everyone. So yeah, see you guys next tutorial. Hopefully this one helped you guys. Drop a like and see you guys next tutorial.